Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Lift Flow Grow. My name is Christina and welcome to my beginner series. I created those videos focused on proper alignment, how to do the poses properly, how to get in and get out safely. We're gonna use a lot of props, so if you have a block, that will be great. If you don't have a block, no worries, just get a book. That will do it. We're gonna use a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can use a belt or your shirt. If you have sensitive knees, I highly recommend using a blanket. So let's get started in child's pose. As you find your child's pose, let your hips drop on your heels, let your head drop, slide a block underneath the forehead, allow your whole body to relax, allow your neck to soften and your shoulders to soften here. Invite your breath, deepen the inhalations and lengthen the exhalations. In this video, we're going to go through Sun Salutation A, Warrior 1, jump into Warrior 2, extended side angle pose, triangle pose, make your way up to tabletop, stack your joints, shoulders right on top of your wrists, hips right on top of the knees, cat-cow stretch, inhale, drop the belly down, look up, sit bones up, exhale, round the back, push the floor away from you, pull your belly in as you tuck the tailbone under, let your head drop. Inhale, cow, let the belly drop, exhale, cat, round the back. One more time, inhale, cow, wheel the chest forward, look up, sitting bones up, exhale, round the back, push the floor away from you, cat pose. Find neutral spine, take your blocks, put them underneath your hands, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back for your first downward facing dog. Put a slight bend in your knees. Connect through your palms, ground down through your hands, lift up from your wrists. Let your heart melt, pull your belly in as you send the hip bones up and away from your hands. Slowly glide forward into high plank, pull the belly in, lengthen the tailbone down, lengthen through the crown of the head, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog, warming up the shoulder joints. Look to the top of the mat, come on your toes and walk forward. Coming into forward fold Uttanasana. Let the head drop. Inhale, create a flat back, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold, lengthen your spine, let the crown of the head drop. Inhale, create a flat back, one more time, halfway lift. You can use your blocks here, warming up the spine. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. The neck is long. Inhale, create a flat back, one more time, lengthen. Gaze is down. Exhale, fold forward. Ground down through the feet as you come all the way up into mountain pose. Bring your hands down by your side. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Place your hands on the blocks. Step back into plank pose. Lower halfway down with the knees up or with your knees down. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Wheel the chest forward and exhale, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and away from your wrists. Inhale, right leg up, bend the knee in towards the chest, step the foot between the hands, lower the back knee down, untuck your toes, low lunge, Anjaneyasana. Let your hips sink as you lengthen through your spine. Step back in plank pose, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Connect to your hands, to your feet here. Inhale, left leg up, bend the knee in towards the chest, shift into high plank, step the foot between the hands, lower the back knee down, untuck your toes, Anjaneyasana. allow the hips to sink. Step back in plank pose. Lift the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Come on your toes. Look forward to the top of the mat. Coming into forward fold. Let the head drop. Put a slight bend in your knees if you have to. Inhale, halfway lift, create a flat back. The gaze is down, the neck is long. Exhale, fold forward. Root down through the feet as you come all the way up. Bring your hands down by your side. Lunge back with your right foot. Bend the left knee. For high lunge or crescent lunge. Left knee right on top of the left ankle. Stay active on the back leg. Reach the arms up. Lengthen through the sides of the body as you pull the belly in. Windmill the hands down. Make your way back to plank pose. Lift the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Look to the top of the mat. Come on your toes. Walk forward. Forward fold. Inhale, create a flat back. Exhale, fold. Root down through the feet as you come all the way up. And bring the hands down by your side. Lunge back with the left foot. Bend the front knee. Lift the arms up and overhead. High lunge. Right knee right on top of the right ankle. Pull the belly in. Windmill the hands down. Plank pose. Lower halfway down, knees up or down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Wheel the chest forward, look up, pull the belly in. And exhale, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and away from your wrists. Come on your toes, look forward, coming into the top of the mat. Inhale, create a flat back. Exhale, fold. Root down as you come all the way up. And bring the hands down by your side. Warrior One. Lunge back with your right foot. Make sure your feet are hip-width apart. Bring the back heel down. Toes at 45-degree angle. Bend the left knee. Reach the arms up. Left knee right on top of the left ankle. Connect to the back heel. Clasp your hands and pull the clasp away from you as you lengthen through the sides of the body. Make sure your hips are square to the top of the mat. As you commit to the bend of the front leg, windmill the hands down, step back, plank pose. Lower halfway down, inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Pull the belly up towards the spine. Look to the top of the mat, come on your toes, walk forward. Inhale, create a flat back, Ardha Uttanasana. Pull the belly in. Exhale, fold. Root down as you come all the way up. Bring the hands down by your side. Come to the top of the mat. Lunge back with your left foot. Left heel down for Warrior One. Feet hip-width apart. Left toes at 45 degrees. Bend the right knee as you reach the arms up. Commit to the bend of the front leg. Clasp your hands and pull the clasp away from you. Open the chest up. Right knee right on top of the right ankle. Windmill the hands down, step back, plank pose. Lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, bend the knee in towards the chest. We're gonna go for a Warrior Two here. Bring the left heel down, foot parallel to the back of the mat, heels in one line, both of the heels in one line. Block on the outside of your right foot, right hand down, left arm up. Extended side angle pose. Open the chest up as you reach your right arm up. Lengthen through the crown of the head. Ground down through the feet as you lift yourself up, coming into Warrior Two. Open the arms out to the side. Stay active in your arms. Open the chest through the reach of the arms. Pull the belly in as you tuck the tailbone down. Flip your front palm, reverse your warrior, reach up. Stretch through the right side body. Come back to Warrior Two. Windmill your hands down, step back in plank pose. Knees down or knees up, lower halfway down. Inhale, upward facing dog. pull the belly in, wheel the chest forward, and exhale, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and away from your wrists. Left leg up, lift from the inner thigh, bend the knee in towards the chest, step the foot between the hands. Lower the right heel down, right foot parallel to the back of the mat, heels in one line. Really important here for warrior two. Place a block on the outside of the left foot, left hand down, right arm up, open the chest up, extended side angle. Ground down through your back heel as you lengthen through the crown of the head. Root down through the feet as you lift yourself up, coming into warrior two. Stretch the arms out to the side, open the chest through the reach of the arms, flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, reach up, lengthen through the left side body. Commit to the bend of the front leg, pull the belly in as you lengthen the tailbone down. Good job. Windmill the hands down. Step back in plank pose. Lower halfway down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. We're almost there, guys. Ground down through your hands, through your feet. Inhale, right leg up. Step the foot between the hands. Lower the back heel down. Block on the outside edge of your right foot. Press down through the feet as you find your warrior two. Straighten the front leg, hinge the right hip, reach forward with the right hand, and find the length, and bring the hand down on the block. Turn the chest up as you reach the left arm up, triangle pose. Connect to the back heel as you lengthen through the crown of the head. Rebend the front knee, find your warrior two, windmill your hands down, step back in plank pose, pull the belly in, lengthen through the crown of the head, lower halfway down, inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Last one of this series. Inhale, left leg up, bend the knee in, step the foot between the hands, lower the right foot down, right heel down for warrior two. Press down into the feet as you find your warrior. Straighten the left leg. Hinge the left hip, reach forward with the left hand. Lengthen and then reach down and find your block with your left hand. Turn the chest up, open as you reach the right arm up. Breathe into the space here. Your whole body is reaching into all 5 directions. Ground down through your feet as you lengthen through the crown of the head. Play with the height of the block, and you can use a chair if the block is not tall enough for you. Find the right props. Rebend the front knee, step back into plank pose. Lower halfway down, knees up or down. Inhale, upward facing dog, pull the belly in as you wheel the chest forward, and exhale, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and away from your wrists. Bring the knees down. Take one of your blocks, put it on the back of the mat. Sit on your block. Shift your feet in front of you. Staff pose, Dandasana. As a beginner in this pose, I highly recommend bending your knees so you can have a full length in the lower back, the middle, and the upper back. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold over your legs. Allow your spine to lengthen. Allow the crown of the head to drop. Take your breath all the way down to your sitting bones. And with the time and with the breath, try to extend the legs. Slowly make your way up. Bend the right knee in towards the chest. Bring the right ankle on the outside of the left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, twist. Hook the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Right hand down or on the block. Lengthen through the crown of the head as you deepen your twist with every exhalation. Stay active on the extended leg. Flex your left foot. Come back through center Extend the right leg, pedal your feet, bring the left knee in, Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, hook your right elbow on the outside of the left knee. Twist. You can place the left hand back behind you or on the block. Lengthen through the crown of the head as you deepen your twist with every exhalation. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, deepen. Stay active in the extended leg. Good job. Come on your knees and rest back in your child's pose. Let everything soften here. Allow everything to drop. Your neck should be long. Your shoulders should be falling down, opening the upper back. Feel your whole body heavy. Feel the support of the mat underneath you. Feel the length in your spine. Let go of everything that doesn't serve you anymore. Any thoughts, any concerns. I really hope you enjoyed that video. For more videos like that, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.